How fast can a cheetah run? Cheetahs can run up to 70 miles per hour, making them the fastest land animals. How strong is spider silk compared to steel? Spider silk is 5 times stronger than steel of the same thickness, making it incredibly resilient. What is the world's largest mammal? The blue whale is the world's largest mammal, growing up to 100 feet long and weighing as much as 200 tons. How long can giant sequoia trees live? Giant sequoia trees can live over 3,000 years, making them some of the oldest living organisms on Earth. What is the primary source of oxygen on Earth? Marine plants, particularly phytoplankton, produce most of the Earth's oxygen through photosynthesis.